All right, it's all done. My space is complete, if you will. I'm probably still going to do more decorating projects actually in the future, but for now, for the Spooktember Slam, this is all done. I have finished all of my projects. The 14 days have come to an end. So I hope over the course of this, I hope I was able to entertain you, and I hope I was able to show you that you can really deck out your space even if you're on a minimal budget. All the projects in here, except for the lighting, all the projects, I spent $60 on materials. So one thing to be said about that too is I didn't even use all of those materials. I definitely have plenty left over to decorate the rest of my house. So that $60 did get stretched pretty far. Most of the stuff's from Dollar Tree, so that obviously really helps. Just adding a little bit of time and love into it, you can make it look a lot more expensive than just a Dollar Tree item. So hopefully I've gotten that across. But over the course of this slam, this boot camp, I have learned a lot. I feel like I've picked up a lot of things, so I'm really hoping that I will be able to bring that new knowledge into my future videos, where I do plan on doing some more Halloween decorations. Like I want to make some pillows, so hopefully you might be interested in that. And then I actually have something in mind that's Oogie Boogie related to do in my doorway over here. So that being said, I still have to go edit, and I'm very tired. That's why I already got my jams on. This slam has taken all the energy from me. So I'm gonna go edit this video and post it, but I will not be posting this Saturday since I'm going to take a break after all of this. However, I will post the following Saturday. So that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your evening. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next Saturday. Bye.